All right, in this example, we're just given these functions f and g. We're given the value of a couple of points, a point on f and a point on g. And we're also given the derivatives at a couple of points of f of g. And part A is asking us to find h prime of 2 if h of x is this product of f of x times g of x. All right. All right. Well, it's okay. This is a little different, right? I don't know what f of x and g of x are, but I do know the product rule, right? So I'm going to just write h of x, or sorry, h prime of x using the product rule, right? So remember, it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Okay? So now I have I have h prime of x, and so if I want h prime at 1, I just need to, or sorry, not 1, it's 2, right? That's the value we're looking for. H prime of 2, all I need to do is substitute 2 for x. So I have f prime at 2 times g of 2 plus f at 2 times g prime at 2. Okay? Now, luckily, I'm given those values up here at the top, right? So all I need to do now, if I could just look at the top here and I can see f prime of 2 is 5. G of 2, right? It's just g of 2, so that's 3. And then f of 2, right? Not f prime of 2, just f of 2. F of 2 is 1. And g prime of 2 is 6. All right? So from there, it's just arithmetic, right? We have 15 plus 6, which is 21. All right, so that's our answer. H prime of 2 was 21, right? So we didn't even need to know what f of x and g of x are because we had the values that we needed. So, all right, now let's try another one. This is very similar. Again, stop the video and try it yourself if you just want to try it on your own. But you can check your answers. So the first thing I'm going to do is find k prime of x. Using, in this case, it's the quotient rule because this is f of x divided by g of x, right? This is a quotient. So all I need to do is know the quotient rule. So I'm going to do low d high. This is the way I think it through, is low d high. So g of x and then d high, right, is the derivative of the numerator. Low d high minus high d low, f of x, and then d low is g prime of x. Running out of room here. And all of that is over low squared. So g of x, that whole thing squared. All right. Now I just need k prime of 2, and I'm going to substitute 2 in for x. So g of 2 times f prime at 2 minus f at 2 times g prime at 2. All over g of 2 squared. All right? And then I'm going to just look up at the top and see what values I was given. G of 2 is 3. F prime at 2 is 5. All right? And then minus f of 2 is 1. G prime of 2 is 6. And then I'm going to divide all of that by g of 2 squared. So g of 2 is 3, and then we have to square it. 3 squared. All right, now the rest is arithmetic. So what do we get? We got 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 and 3 squared is also 9. All right, so the answer is just 1. That's my final answer. It is 1. All right, so we've got one more example. I'll meet you in the next video.